Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about an essential item that's often overlooked, toilet roll. While it may seem like a trivial item, toilet roll actually plays a significant role in our daily lives. In this video, we'll be discussing why toilet roll is important in the bathroom and why you should always have a registration or two handles. Hygiene. The most obvious reason why toilet roll is important is for maintaining good hygiene. After using the toilet paper is used to clean up and prevent the spread of bacteria and germs. Without it, we would have to resort to less hygienic alternatives which can cause health problems. Convenience. Toilet roll is also convenient. It's easy to use and readily available in most homes, public restrooms, and workplaces. Imagine a scenario where you finish using the toilet and there's no toilet paper available. That's a situation nobody wants to find themselves in. Comfort. Another reason why toilet roll is essential is for our comfort. Using toilet paper helps to avoid irritation and discomfort caused by not cleaning ourselves properly. It also ensures that we feel fresh and clean after using the toilet. Eco-friendly. Toilet roll is an eco-friendly alternative to other materials that people may use to clean themselves, such as wipes. It is biodegradable and breaks down quickly, reducing the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. Multi-purpose. Lastly, toilet roll is multi-purpose. Apart from its primary use, it can also be used to wipe spills, clean up messes, and more. It's a versatile item that can come in handy in many situations. In conclusion, toilet roll is an important item that should be a staple in every bathroom. It's essential for maintaining good hygiene, convenience, and comfort, and is also eco-friendly. So, the next time you're restocking your bathroom, don't forget to add toilet rolls to your list. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.